She ain't right. She is not right.
Sorry about that. Okay.
So, what do you say, Tony?
Thank you. Ready?
All right.
How's this wiggle? On the back side of the box. Is this another box? There's another box inside here.
Remember that I told you I was going to give you that for Christmas? Show it. Turn it around. Tiffany's got a Santa's naughty helper. All right, open it, Tiffany.
Yeah, I ain't done yet.
Box to box to box.
Read it. You're not supposed to cry. You're supposed to read it, silly. You're not supposed to cry.